Let's begin by exploring the concept of landforms, the natural features of the Earth's surface. These are formed as a result of both internal and external processes. Internal processes, such as movements within the Earth, create major landforms. On the other hand, external processes involving erosion and deposition by elements like wind, water, and ice modify these landforms over time. Diving deeper into how these landforms come into existence, we see two main types of processes at play. Internal processes, including volcanic activity and tectonic plate movements, lead to the formation of major landforms like mountains and plateaus. Meanwhile, external processes such as erosion and deposition by agents like rivers, glaciers, wind, and sea waves continuously shape and modify these landforms as time goes on. Now, let's look at the types of major landforms and their characteristics. Starting with mountains, which are known for their high elevations, steep slopes, and significant height differences between the peak and the surrounding area. There are several types of mountains, including fold mountains like the Himalayas, block mountains like the Vindhya and Satpura ranges, and volcanic mountains such as Mount Kilimanjaro. Mountains are crucial as they provide resources like minerals and forests and offer tourism opportunities. They also significantly influence climate and weather patterns. Moving on to plateaus, these are elevated flatlands, usually with one or more steep sides. Examples include the Deccan Plateau in India and the Colorado Plateau in the USA. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits and are suitable for grazing and agriculture in some areas. Lastly, we have plains, characterized by their flat or gently rolling land, typically found at lower elevations. Notable examples are the Great Plains of North America and the Indo-Gangetic Plains in India. Plains are highly fertile and suitable for agriculture, making them densely populated regions due to easier transportation and settlement. Other landforms include deserts, which are large, dry areas with sparse vegetation, mainly formed by wind erosion and deposition. Valleys, on the other hand, are low areas between hills or mountains, often formed by river erosion. Lastly, deltas, like the Nile Delta, are formed at river mouths by the deposition of sediments carried by rivers. The processes shaping landforms are varied. Weathering involves the breaking down of rocks into smaller particles by natural forces. Erosion is the removal and transportation of these weathered materials by wind, water, or ice. Deposition, then, is the laying down of these sediments in new locations, completing the cycle of landform transformation. Let's delve into some analytical insights. Firstly, the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface is a key theme, highlighting how landforms are constantly being created and modified by natural processes. Understanding these processes helps us appreciate the ever-changing nature of our planet. Secondly, different landforms significantly impact human activities, including agriculture, settlement, transportation, and tourism. Knowledge of landforms is crucial for planning and development, as well as for disaster management in areas prone to natural hazards. Thirdly, landforms are rich sources of natural resources such as minerals, forests, and water. Understanding the distribution of these resources can aid in their sustainable use and conservation. Fourthly, the chapter highlights the geographical diversity of landforms across the world, fostering an appreciation for the variety of natural landscapes. This diversity influences cultural practices, lifestyles, and economic activities in different regions. Lastly, knowledge of landforms connects to other subjects such as geology, environmental science, and history. Understanding the formation and significance of landforms can provide insights into historical events, climate patterns, and ecological systems. Overall, Chapter 6 provides a comprehensive overview of the major landforms of the Earth, explaining their formation, characteristics, and significance. It emphasizes the dynamic nature of the Earth's surface and the importance of landforms in shaping human activities and natural ecosystems.